It's your boy T Studio X, and today this is a video about me recording the end of summer fireworks in Sayre, Pennsylvania. So they usually do that every year, the last Saturday in August. I mean, that's the best event that I love enjoying. So normally every year they usually do the awesome fireworks. But before they do the fireworks, there were concession stands all around, tents, food tents, sometimes tents for some special occasions. There was music going on from the live bands, but most of the time when I go to the end of the end of summer fireworks, I usually stand right by the stage. I usually bring my guitar with me and my amplifier, and I usually majority of the time I usually stay where the stage is. So so That's where I've been doing since. I mean, I started to jam with people since 2017, pretty much. As I got the sound of the fireworks, the music in the background all muted out because there was music playing in the background. Because I mean, the reason why I mute out the music that was playing, so that way I wouldn't get flagged for music in the background, and I can't get. I mean, you know, I tried. You mean you can only like see fireworks, but you can't hear the fireworks, and you can't hear the music because I like muted it out. But you can only hear me talking. I'm doing like a voiceover on this video, and as you can see, so it so the event took place at the Sayre Riverfront. That's where it took place. So the bands that they play. So the first band that was played. So in the band that I saw and I really love, DOC POSSUM. What a fantastic band I ever met since met them. And I know that they're from Corning, New York. You know I love these guys. So first, so at 4 to 5, so I know Doc. So he played his acoustic guitar for for the like for the kids and stuff like that. playing some basic songs like ABC Rock or something like that, and then Cheese Man, and then in other songs that they've played for the kids and stuff like that. I know that the kids they love Doc Possum, and I love Doc Possum myself. And he's a well that band is a well-known local music band ever known. At least I say Doc Possum he rocks. And the rest of the band, Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia, which they are awesome. Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia. So yeah, like I said, Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia is awesome. I like how their drums. I like how their band is all set up. I like how they sing. I like how they perform, almost like pitch perfect. And yeah, love the band. So before the main course of the music, so so his name was, I think, yeah, his name is Doc, which he's definitely known because he's a awesome songwriter. He loves playing guitar and he loves music like I do. And those cover songs, what they do, they are amazing. That's what I think. I think, yeah, they are so amazing. Amazing, amazing, and amazing. So, so let me talk about what a good setup to ever seen. So, so Marisha, she's a drummer, which she's a pretty awesome drummer for Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia. Mafia, not Mafia. Bass guitarist Spencer, which I believe, yeah, Spencer, which is one of the members of the Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia. Mafia. Doc himself, he's a guitar player as well. Trying to think of the other one who plays that other guitar. I know he plays I think his name is Brian Moore, I believe. Trying to think of his name. So I like to think of his. So I'm gonna try to name all the members of the Doc Possum and Memphis Mafia. Which I love these guys so much. They rock. They really do. They rock. You mean I like how they play those cover songs. They're amazing. You mean it's really amazing. So so I took a photo at the VIP tent right by the stage. That's before they perform. That's after when they. That's after when the other band played. It's called Brothers Unknown. They rock as well, but they only had like two guys. So I mean, yeah, two people, one for the guitar, one for the drums, but still, but they're amazing as well. So I'd like to definitely congratulate Doc Possum. They did a good job on performing at the end of summer fireworks. That's before the fireworks because I know the fireworks started at 8:30 and it was a half hour show, so a fireworks show. You mean it was pretty awesome shows? You have there were kids and stuff like that, families, friends. You mean it's so cool. At least I know where they're from. At least they're from Corning. I think that's where they're from. It's Corning. Yeah, Brian Moore, which is the guitar player. So I'm just gonna go over the members thoroughly. So Marisha Cavallaro, which is the drummer. Brian Moore, which is the guitar player. Doc, which I believe he's the in charge of the band, I believe. So he plays the guitar as well, and he also plays the pouch music for the kids as well. Spencer Cavallaro, he's a bass player. Boy, that bass player, you mean, boy, he rocks when he does that bass player. I mean, he does that bass. You mean, yeah, love these people. And trying to think of the other. So, so I remember when I took a photo of them before they. It's pretty much of a pre-concert photo. In front of them, so on the right. So right now I'm looking at my photo. So I've got Doc, and then Marisha, Spencer, and Brian, and myself. So we all had smiles on our faces and stuff like that. I mean, best times, good times. Best times, and definitely good times. So right now, so I remember recording my. So I remember when. So I remember I'm just recording the fireworks, listening to music. But one of the songs I've heard, it was Crocodile Rock by Elton John, but it was on 95.3 The Bridge, WTTC FM Towanda. Yep, Cavallaro. I know the Cavallaro family. I think it's time for me to meet that family because I love these guys so much. That's that's why that's why I like about the family that create that they love music, they love performing throughout Corning and stuff like that. Corning, Elmira, any parts of the states, I mean, any parts of the southern tier and parts of the probably most of the southern tier, like near Corning, pretty much. You mean Dark Possum and the Memphis Mafia? They did well. They they definitely did well on the performance. I think it was pretty cool. Yeah, like I said, the reason why I got the sound of the fireworks and music all muted out, so that way I wouldn't get flagged because music. You mean, I think it's so stupid why you can't put music in the background that is copyrighted, but it's. I think that's just plain like ridiculous with YouTube's rules and stuff like that. Even though we don't own the music, there's no reason why we can't put music in the videos from, you know, music from a live band that they're playing cover songs. No reason for that. I mean, no reason why we get flagged for that. It's, and I think it's just dumb. You mean on the last song, I like to thank Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia that let me up on the stage and stuff like that for for the last song and stuff like that. But they did a good job. I mean, yeah, like I said, I love these guys. They are phenomenon. I mean, I'm pretty sure they worked their fingers to the bone to during like maybe off season or off time or depends what they have, but they perform and pretty much they rehearse for the gigs and stuff like that. And I'm pretty sure it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I'm pretty sure they got wonderful set lists too. And yes, I like other bands too. I like a part of Pluto, and I love live bands as well. The other live bands as well. I like Major Big Time. I like bands that I see, even the new bands that I haven't seen. You mean I like them all? is why I like to give Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia a huge shout out.
Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia.
That's why I like to give you a shout out for this video and the footage of the fireworks. You mean I love the sound of the fireworks? I know some of them has the I think some of these fireworks has like the jetter plain sounding noise known as those piccolo peeps. Some of them are like bangers. You check out those colors of the fireworks, how they spread out in all directions. So, a huge shout out to the members of Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia. I know it's gonna be a long video, but I try to get the footage of the fireworks, which includes the grand finale. You mean, yeah. So the price was so the price is to get in $2 for like walk for it took $2 $2 for the walk-ins to enter and $5 per carload. So I like to think. I mean, yeah, there was a. So I like to thank Doc Potts for letting me up on the stage and stuff like that. But they were on the last song before the actual fireworks show. So the sponsor of that stage was Foster Law Office Concerts Stage. So most of the time I usually play on the side instead of on the stage. You mean, yeah, really enjoyed all of that stuff. You mean, I love do stuff like that. So I like to so I like to give, so I like to give you a shout out to a big, huge shout out. That's right, a shout out, a huge shout out.
Doc
Doc
Possum
Possum
and
in
the
the
Memphis
Memphis Mafia.
Mafia.
You guys rock. Really enjoyed listening to your band and play with you guys. And hopefully we'll do it again next time. So, Doc Possum and the Memphis Mafia, they definitely rock. So this
Why do I
probably
keep on
might be
saying
a wrap
Mafia instead
for
of Mafia?
this video. So the footage the footage of this video was recorded on Saturday, August 28th, 2021. So other than that, yo, this is your boy T Studio X signing out. Make sure you subscribe, Hit that red button and bell for your notifications. Leave a genuine comment after watching a full video. Remember, watch a full video first, and then you comment in the right way. And make sure you leave a genuine comment about the video, what you see, and be respectful to each other. Yeah, be respectful to each other. Share. I mean, if you like this video, make sure you share it out at all social media platforms. If you have a community tab, make sure you share on community tab. If you don't have community tab, make sure make sure you share it on all social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all that stuff. This is your boy T Studio X signing out.